Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. This is Sophia. So I have with me another swap reveal for the kids Christmas Happy Meal swap. This one is from my daughter Lily. So she made a girl version and a boy version. I asked them each to make one that was not like so girly because we do have boys in the swap. And yeah, so we're gonna get into it. Let me start with this girly one and then we'll do the boy one after that. Okay, sorry about that. Alright, so this is one of her swaps, and she loves pink, you guys. Her favorite color is pink. If she could, she would have everything pink. And so according to that theme, I think she did this house. She used a Christmas like gingerbread sort of collection, and so she did her house kind of looking like a gingerbread house. She added these foam gumdrops on the top here. She added this piece that looks like a peppermint with a snowflake and some ribbon trim, and then this cute little gingerbread house and some lollipops on the side. She added this little peppermint heart thing and a snowflake on the top, and then she stamped and colored this little snowman. And I don't think she did the back. I think she just did the front. So that's the outside of the house. And then inside, let me get everything out. Alright, so she has, okay, let's start with this one because this one's more open. But she has, okay, she's decorated her fry box. It's like gingerbread cookies on this side, and then peppermint stripes on the back. And she's got this cute little poinsettia here. And then inside she has some shakers that she made. It's two snowmen, and they are in pink. And then they made their own little mixes here. So that's her mix. Aren't they so cute? And then on her gingerbread, it looks like one has a bow and one does not. Or did this come off of here? I think this might have come off of here. So I will have to check with her because I also have an extra eyeball over here. I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I'll check with her. But I think this goes here, and then she has little candies in their hands here. I think that's super cute, right? So let's see. Let's do her burger box next. Okay, this is her burger box, and she used this adorable paper with some, what do you call it? Stockings. And then she added this cute little peppermint heart on top. And okay, and then she made some rosettes. I helped her with the rosettes, like to cut them and stuff, but then she stuck them on. And she has all these different little rosettes, and then she put, looks like gumdrops and snowflakes and candies in the centers, but she's got this whole little box filled with different rosettes for her recipient. Alright, so this is her little milk carton, and she has added a little bow on the front and a little candy in the middle, and then there's candies decorating her whole little box. And then I'll show you in just a second, but she had a little gingerbread on the front. Okay, so she made a pink Christmas tree with a pink star, some little different color ornaments on it, and then a pink trunk because we did not have brown anyways, but I think it came out really super cute. And then, okay, and then I just wanted you to see her little gingerbread on the front. So cute, right? Okay. Alright, so then last thing is her little book. And she, used that same collection, added a peppermint here on the cover. And then looks like she's got a little pocket here on the inside. Gingerbread house that she sent for her friend. There's this page. It has another little tuck spot. She added this tag with some ribbon and a candy. She actually stamped and colored all of these herself. Some Santas, some snowmen, and she tucked them in the pocket here for her friend to use maybe on another project or swap. And then it has this cute little page here. Another little page. This one I think was a cut apart, and then she just put it in there and like glued it right here. And she's got a little penguin here. It's also, the head is like a tuck spot pocket. So she added a tag so that they would know, and then she put a candy and a little ribbon thing right here. There's that page, a little small page cut apart. She added this cookie in here in the pocket. So they might use that for something, or like journal on it or something. And then this page looks like it got put in upside down, but that's fine. And then she has a little teddy bear here and this tag so that you know that that's a pocket. And some sweaters. Another cut apart that she put in here, and then we just cut around half of him to kind of give it like some visual interest or something. She put this die cut in here for her friend, and then she used some of her foam pieces on paper clips to make these cute little gumdrop paper clips, which I'm gonna move over because I couldn't close the box earlier when she has it like this, so I'm gonna put this like that, and then that way we'll be able to close it later. Okay, and then this is the last page, and she has this little poinsettia die cut in here for her friend, and another little paper clip. So I think she did a great job. Super cute swap. And then if you didn't catch the last one, you should go back and do that. But this is the store-bought goodie that she got for her friend, her recipient. And then this is the sweet treat that she got for her swap. Oh, and then I don't think I mentioned it in this video again, but they were supposed to send a Happy Meal box, a burger box, a fry box. She also included a drink, and then this little booklet was something. They had to send a store-bought goodie and a sweet treat. So yeah, this is what she decided to send. This was not required, and you didn't have to send a drink, but you know what Happy Meal is not complete without a drink. So let me get out her other swap, and then we'll see what she sent for that. Okay, so this is Lily's second swap, and as you can see, she has a monster truck on the front, a gumdrop. She's added these little like red pearl thingies, and then she put a bow. Oh no! Okay, I'll have to fix this, but she has a little bow, antler bow on here. I don't know if you can see. I'll fix it before I send it out. And then she added some more of that trim here. She added this little snowflake, even though it kind of gets lost with other snowflakes. But she has this here on top and bottom, and on the side another snowflake, and then yeah, that's her box. And then okay, so
I love you.
For her goodie, she has this little squishy ball.
I love you.
Okay, and then, alright, she has, okay, let me just take all this stuff out, actually. Okay, so we shall start with her burger box. She has a peppermint on the front. She has some jemmies on the side here. And then inside, she has a couple monster trucks with Christmas trees on the back. And then these cute little foam stickers for her friend. And so I think those are super duper cute. Look at these. Aren't they cute? Okay, and then let me just put this back. Okay, for her fry box, I think she just left it plain, or maybe she forgot. I'll have to tell her. But, she has some shakers in here. And she has two little gingerbread with some candies in their hands. And then these cute little snowmen. And one has green eyes, one has black eyes, and some little buttons. Super duper cute. Alright, okay, and then this is her sweet treat. I think I already showed you her goodie. Is this little squishy ball thingy. And then this is her little December daily thingy. 12 Days of Christmas countdown. It says Frosty's Snowflake Cafe. And then she's got a little pocket here. This page, she's got a little bear. Looks like, I think this is a tuck spot right here. She's got a little tag in here. I think this is a pocket right here. And then I think she wanted to add this in, so I guess I'll add that in a little bit. Here she has another little pocket in here, a little joyful tag in this pocket. She's got a penguin here. This is a pocket for whoever gets this. This is a belly band in here, and she's added a little, I don't know if it's a cut apart or what, and it says Holly Jolly. It might be a sticker. And then she added a sticker here. It says, May your days be merry and bright, and a little candle. And I told them to decorate these minimally so that their friend can decorate it how they like it. This one has these cute little ornaments and the end of the teddy bear, and then looks like that's a strip from a paper that was shorter or something. But that is her little flip book, and that is her swap. I know the girls had a lot of fun doing this swap, and I hope that their recipients really like their swap. Thank you everyone who participated in the swap, and thank you everyone for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.